This is my lottery dream home. I've been to Blue Ridge before, and I am thrilled to be back. It's so cute, it's very quaint, and so wonderful. Like, I'm obsessed. So I'm on my way to meet my newest winners, Alicia and Rick. They're Floridians, just like me, and they're on the hunt for a vacation home here in Blue Ridge, Georgia. All right. How cute are you two?
Very.
So, who is the gambler?
No, we inherited money from a distant relative.
Ooh. Oh. How close was your relative to you?
Great uncle.
Okay, were you close?
I hadn't seen him for many, many years.
Wow. And he left you how much money?
$900,000.
A great uncle.
He was really great.
Super great. Well, congratulations. Sorry
Thank
to hear
you.
about your uncle.
Thank you.
But I'm very happy to hear about your $900,000 unexpected win. So what are we doing here at the Blue Ridge Mountains?
We're looking for a summer vacation home.
Cabin.
With the Blue Ridge
Yes.
charm. 3 to 4 bedrooms.
Okay. So you want like a space for like visitors and guests
Correct.
and family.
Our kids.
Love that.
Yeah, a little space.
A little privacy, I'm assuming.
Like a
Yes.
lot of privacy if
A lot
possible.
of privacy.
Furnished would be great.
Okay, good. Like literally
Yes.
turnkey.
Yes.
That's exciting. All right, so how much are we spending?
Between 4 and 6.
Okay.
I'd push it up to 7 maybe,
Okay.
if it's all there.
If it's very special.
Now, do you guys want a view?
No, not a must.
Well,
You want it.
yeah, I want the view. I want the mountains, I want to see trees.
Okay, I'll show you something between 4 and 6, and then I'll show you something spectacular if you're not really happy with those. It probably comes as no surprise that I prefer Rick's budget. And I'd love to kick this off by showing them a house with a spectacular view. But I want to be very respectful for Alicia, so we're starting at around $475,000. And I'm telling you, the house is so fantastic. Hickory Ridge is nestled into the woods, about 30 minutes out of town. And while there's no view of the mountains, there's certainly no neighbors to look at either. They have an incredible view outside their balcony. It's a view of the forest. Stunning. They said they wanted that cabin feel. This house has it in spades.
It's gorgeous. It's
Love the
exactly
wood,
what we're looking
rustic.
for.
Good.
It's amazing.
All right,
Wow.
let me tell you a little bit about Hickory Ridge. Has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, has 1,950 square feet, and the price is right at $479,900.
Okay.
Pretty good, right?
Yeah,
Excellent.
pretty
Not
good.
bad.
Surprise.
Shall we?
Beautiful.
Shall we take a peek?
Let's go.
Cute little porch here. I mean, look, view.
Little porch, right.
Got a little
That's
view
a view.
here.
That's a
Super
view.
cute, right? I mean, I
wow.
could sit out here and look at this all day.
Wow.
Jeez.
Very cozy.
Amazing.
Authentic is, that's the
Staircase.
word. Wow.
You can't really get more log cabin feel than
No.
this.
Look at the ceiling. You definitely found a nice, comfortable, cute cabin.
It's a good one to start with, you know? I mean, the fireplace is so fantastic, but it's so cozy with all the rock and the wood.
Look at all the bears everywhere.
I know, isn't it
Bears
cute?
everywhere.
Let's go. Oh, right.
Blue Ridge
Let's
bears.
take a
Blue
look
Ridge
at the
bears.
kitchen. So we have a great little eat-in kitchen here, and then a very open kitchen as well.
I like the cabinets.
The real wood.
They're real.
You would expect to have like
The
plywood or
laminate, right?
laminate. No, this is all real wood.
You could easily put a king-size
Right.
bed in here with lots of furniture. It's a really
Sure.
good-sized room.
Wow, yeah,
Nice
very,
big
very
windows.
Great view out the windows,
Yeah.
which is wonderful. Go ahead, check it out.
More bears.
More bears, more
Lots of
wood.
bears and wood.
Yeah, bears and wood.
And a tub, that's actually interesting.
While their guests have the run of downstairs, upstairs is all about Rick and Alicia. So this is your own private sanctuary.
Oh,
Wow.
cozy.
So
Very
cute,
cozy.
right?
Very cute.
Absolutely.
And of course, you have your own bathroom up here.
Wow. Again, the pocket doors are
Okay.
amazing.
Yeah.
It's a party shower.
So I'm taking them over to Moondrift Manor. It's only 10 minutes from downtown. It is quite a bit larger, but we're still right on cue with the budget. The caveat with this house is that the interior is definitely not their style. But what I want them to see is the space. If they want to put their own stamp on it, this is the perfect house to do it. Moondrift Manor has 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. It's twice the size of the house that we saw yesterday at
Oh,
over
great.
3,200 square feet.
Sounds great.
Yeah, sounds great.
And the price? Just a little over $478,000.
Oh, wow.
I like that.
That sounds
You're
amazing.
welcome.
Look at this. Wow, look at this
look at
place.
this.
Right?
This is amazing. Oh, this is nice.
It's good, right?
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, this is a
Fireplace.
great room.
Just picture your stuff in here, more cottagey.
We can make it our own, basically.
Yeah. The ceilings are beautiful. And this is where we're getting more of the cabin feel. It's just lighter, you know?
It's really outstanding.
It's exceptional, yeah.
Very pretty.
All right, so here's our kitchen. Definitely feels different than yesterday, right?
Yeah, nice
Wow.
granite.
Yeah, nice granite.
Yeah, the finishes are really nice.
We
Absolutely.
had a party.
Yeah.
There's a bar area over here.
Yes,
Gotta have
bar
the bar.
scene is nice.
Must have a bar.
So there's tons of room to entertain, but the main bedroom is far enough away for some private time too.
Oh, wow. Look
Isn't
at
this great?
Oh, this is big.
It's huge.
Oh, nice size.
So private. Again, clothing optional porch.
Stone.
It's a jetted tub. That's
The tub, a jetted
Right.
tub.
Jetted tub.
That's right. It looks updated.
It's like a barn door shower.
Exactly. Next door, there's an office that could easily convert into a guest bedroom. But that's not necessary. There are 2 more bedrooms with en-suites at the other end of the house.
Perfect guest room, comfortable, in, out.
Exactly.
Perfect. Oh, this is pretty cool. This is like not even a man cave, it's like a man room up
Yeah.
here. This takes it from a maybe to a contender.
Ooh,
Absolutely.
Love
wow.
that. All right, guys, come on outside.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
right?
Oh, my God. This is probably the nicest view I've seen since I've been out here.
It's nice.
Makes it a harder choice than I thought.
You are welcome. We started off our journey looking at Hickory Ridge, a perfect house just saying, I am a cabin in the woods.
Authentic that's the word. Wow.
Rick and Alicia were absolutely obsessed with it, but they're like, let's find something maybe a little bit bigger and something closer to town. So they took them over to Moondrift Manor. Located in the valley, the view was really beautiful with rolling hills.
Literally, it's spectacular.
But they're like, David, we want to go higher. And you can't get much higher than Outlook Lodge. This house is right at the top of the mountain. It's epic. There's 3 delicious levels. Every level has a balcony and views for days. But are they wanting to spend that extra $100 and some thousand over Alicia's final budget?
Good morning.
Good morning, David.
Good morning. Welcome to the top of the mountain.
Thank you.
All right, Outlook Lodge has 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. Surprisingly, it only is 400 square feet larger than Hickory Ridge at 2,312 square feet.
Oh, wow.
But those views are really what is captured in the whole house.
Looking forward to seeing it.
Are you ready for the price?
Yes.
Brace
Okay.
yourselves. $745,000.
Okay, it's a little cold up here. I like the...
So open.
You're welcome.
This is amazing. I can't get over the view.
Mountain rustic.
This is what we asked for, I guess.
It is
Wow.
lodgy, it's
yeah.
cabiny.
The furnishings are our taste.
Yeah,
Good.
absolutely. I wouldn't change a thing.
Yeah.
And this is a pretty nice kitchen. Here it is.
This is absolutely fun. Wow.
Look at this farmhouse copper sink.
Yep, it's an apron farmhouse sink. It's yummy. I want to take you to my very favorite spot on the outside deck. All right, guys, come on out. Isn't this good?
Oh, wow. This
Wow.
is the view.
The
I
view.
can't get over the view.
The view is amazing. The top floor is more than a main bedroom. It's a dreamy retreat for Rick and Alicia. There's an impressive ensuite.
Spectacular vanity.
Is this real stone? It feels like stone.
That is real stone.
Yeah, absolutely.
And yet another balcony to show off that view. I mean, hello.
Oh, gosh.
It's good, right?
Fantastic.
All this, and there's still another level downstairs. All right, so clearly this floor is all about entertaining.
And there's more.
This is what I'm talking about. This is great.
I mean, gotta have a hot tub if you're gonna have a house
Of
like
course.
this.
You see, a lot of tushies can fit in here.
How many tushies do you guys want to fit in here?
How many decks do we have here, David? A lot.
Nervous?
Absolutely.
Good, good. Exactly where you should be. 3 great houses, very different.
Very different.
One mid-mountain, one valley, one at the top of the mountain. So we started off at Hickory Ridge.
It was cozy.
Yeah.
In the mountains.
Nice.
Cozy getaway.
Yes, it's a getaway.
It just was so well appointed, all the finishes.
All the bears.
The bears.
All the bears are so cute.
The bears were very cute.
So then I took you over to Moondrift Manor, a completely different look.
Very different. Still
Nestled
very
in
nice.
the valley, yeah.
Like literally, it was like a fairy tale home in the middle of a valley.
Curb appeal was
Yeah.
sensational.
Definitely gave you the space you guys were looking for.
Yes.
The views there, the rolling hills,
Yeah.
unbelievable. I mean, that got me right there on the spot.
But then you're like, hey, let's see something on top of the mountain. Outlook Lodge. It was the views.
You could see for miles.
Endless.
And it was a big home. I mean, level after level, there's just space upon space.
That beautiful deck outside was
Deck.
to die for. But
It's killing you, isn't it?
Yes.
Just a little bit.
Yes, because it is a budget buster.
It is. It really is.
a little bit, but it is moving ready. If you're sure, I'm sure. You inherited it, you spend it.
I love this.
All right, we've decided to go with Outlook Lodge.
Oh my gosh. Best answer ever. The house is epic.
That view, I mean,
Can't beat it.
You can't
Once
beat
you
that
see
view.
that, nothing beats it.
It's cozy. It just feels spacious. It's the best for entertaining. There's just so many wonderful things about
There are.
it.
It is special.
I'm very excited for you guys.
you know what? It's a great house, and my daughter doesn't need to go to college anyway.
We ended up choosing Outlook Lodge. It is our style and taste. We didn't have to do a thing to the house, and I can spend my time not doing projects, but meeting people and shopping downtown. Thank you.
Hey, guys.
Hey, how are you?
How are you?
Welcome back.
Thank you. Nice to see
Excited
you.
to be back.
Great to see you too.
Blue Ridge is like, it's like a small town. The people here are just great.
Hi.
Hey, guys.
So good to see you guys back.
So good to see you. When we leave Florida, we leave the humidity and the heat behind.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.